this is it. Saying goodbye on the road, headed back to Ohio. It's been good, Georgia. I'll be back in the wintertime when the weather gets crappy in Ohio. Oh my God, look at this. This could be the end of my van.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
Hey, first off, whatever motorcycle you ride, make sure you're wearing the gear. If you want to get my gear, I love this, my ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet that comes with an auto tint shield, my motovlog camera, my airbag vest. I have links to all of my gear in the description and comment section of this video.
Look at this oil leak, guys. This is crazy. I don't know if an oil line broke or something. This is not good. I've never had an oil leak like this bad. This is crazy. Oh my God, this is gonna cost me a fortune, man. This is a shame, guys. I was all set to take my trip, and now I gotta take this van to get in serviced once again. It sucks, man. I wanted to take my trip. I hope I don't need a new engine. If I have to junk this van, guys, I'm gonna just strip everything out, I guess, and maybe pick up another van of some sort. I don't know. I had been talking about doing a new van build, but now I think I may be forced to do a new van build. I tell you guys, I really love this van. I really loved it. I had a good time. But that's what happens when you get an old van. I bought it with over 255,000 miles on it. So what do you expect? It drove nice though. I was never left stranded in this van except for when I had the tire blowout. I don't know, guys. So what van should I get? Do you think I should get a Ford Transit all-wheel drive van to do a build with, or should I do a bus build? Tell me. What do you guys think I should do? Or maybe should I get the Dodge van and do a build on that? I would like the all-wheel drive. The Ford Transit seems the best option. I mean, that's what Winnebago has done with the Revel RV, and that thing can go off-road and looks pretty cool. So maybe I should do a build with the Ford Transit all-wheel drive. But everybody and their mama are into doing van builds now, so it may be hard to get one of those Ford Transit, and they'll probably want top dollar plus premium. So I don't know, man. It's really a bummer here, but this has been an awesome van, guys. I'll tell you, it's been good, but like they say, all good things come to an end, right? For those of you guys that want to see how I built this van, I did do a DIY build video series on this, and I have links to a lot of the stuff I used to build the van, so go check that out. I'll include the playlist link in this video at the top right corner. Just click on that link. That'll take you to the playlist with all my build videos.
You know, I'm getting tired of my van. The worst thing I ever did was get an old van. You know, my van it's a 2004, and don't get me wrong, it rides smooth and everything is good, like I've told you guys in the past. But I tell you, with the older Chevy Express van, you're gonna have problems. I got over 160 some thousand miles. I bought it with like 50 or 40 something, 150 some thousand miles or something. I only take it on a couple of bug out trips a year, and I did take a layoff there for a while. But I tell you, every year it's like I gotta fix it. I don't even hardly drive it that much, and I gotta spend $1,000 on it to get it fixed, whatever. Last time the AC went out, that was like nearly $1,000 at the dealership. The starter went out one year. The paint flakes off of those suckers all the time. I gotta fix that myself. Now I had an oil leak before I had to get fixed. That was about $1,000.
It ended up costing me $1,256.72 to replace that fuel line and fix the oil leak. That's nearly half the cost of what I paid for the van.
Seems like every year it's like $1,000 I spend to keep that van. You know, I'd have been better off just buying a newer van at the time. I was stupid, but it was an experiment for me. But it ain't fun taking that bug out motor van in to get repaired every year, it seems like, man. I have to be honest with you, you know, the van has never left me stranded out there on my trips across the country. And I went all the way to Wyoming, Colorado. I've been up in the Rocky Mountains in that van. I've been all over the place in the van, and it never left me stranded, except for when I put those crap tires on and that one tire blew in Utah. Damn, I knew I shouldn't have been traveling so fast. And that's because I was cheap and bought cheap tires. Never buy cheap tires. Get the best tires you can buy, guys. Because trust me, you don't want a blowout, man. It's really scary. It can set you up for a real effed up day. But that van has been really good to me. It's just, I don't know what it is. It's always something, little stuff that, you know, I got to get fixed here and there. And it's kind of, so I'm really kind of ready for something totally new. I wanted to do maybe like a bus build or something, but I can't do it in my, you know, I have an HOA where I live. Then I thought about maybe just getting an RV of some sort, but the RVs are mostly built, they're crappy built, man. They're just glued together, cheap pieces glued together. They charge a fortune for them, and the things fall apart all the time. You got to get those things fixed all the time. RVs, you know, I see guys on YouTube all the time talking about they always got to fix up crap on it. It falls apart or something. And I see the best builds are really like getting a bus, because those are built well. They're built for reliability and built strong and safe, and you can pick them up cheap. You can't get them fixed everywhere, I know that, and sometimes parts are not always easy to come by and stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. I don't know. Give me some recommendations. What do you guys recommend that I get to do for the next Bug Out Moto Vehicle 2? Tell me what I should do. Should I just go ahead and buy a brand new van, maybe the Sprinter 4x4 van, and build it out? If I can find one. They may be hard to find now, because everybody and their brother seems to be doing a van build now. Or what should I do? I don't know, man. I really don't want to do, I'm kind of worried about getting a bus, because I don't want to get something old and still be dealing with problems here and there. So I'm thinking maybe a new van, a totally brand new van, and do a total new build on it, and sharing that with the channel. And that way I have it for years to come, and it's not going to give me any problems. I'll maintain it, you know, and get it rust proofed and everything else. I don't deal with any issues with it. But I want to get your feedback. That's why I'm doing this video, for some ideas for my Bug Out Moto van, or should I say Bug Out Moto Vehicle 2, whatever that's going to be. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready to do something new and different. I've been wanting to do it for a long time. I've been doing videos on it. I know a lot of you guys like CycleCruza. Quit talking about it and do it. I want to do it. But I'd love to get some ideas rounded up right now, so I can formulate a plan, so that when I'm ready to do the build, I'll know exactly what I want. So I want you to share that, tell me what I can get. For those of you guys out there that know what I should get, let me know. I want to talk about it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel, and make sure to check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto. Deuces. Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.